are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof. Come see the car for yourself.